Yo, hello guys, it's Vex here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys the best free external to use right now in 2025. This external supports almost any game, rivals, dahood, etc. So, with nothing else to be said, let's just hop on straight how to download and use it. So the first thing you guys wanna do is to open your browser. It can be any browser you want, but in this video I will be using Brave. So just type vexor.club. This also will be in the comments and in the description. So just enter the site and right here press join now. So if you have any questions about the external or you need help with anything, you can open a ticket here. So let's just close this and go to the download tab. Here we can click download now and save. And let's go to the file location and close our browser. Then let's extract the folder right here, extract, and now let's go back into our game right here. Now let's just open the folder again and double click on the exe. More info, run anyway. And now in a second the loader should pop up right here. Let's just click inject and wait a few seconds, and right here is the main UI. So I will just be showcasing it a little bit, and yeah, let me just turn off everything for you guys. I will just be making a legit config today for dahood, and of course you can use this config for rivals or whatever you desire. So let's start with Aimbot. So this is a basic aimbot. You can choose mouse, camera, free aim, it's not working, and silent, it's working for some games. So let me just put my keybind to mouse 5, and you can also change it to toggle or hold right here. So I will use camera for this video, and also we have a quick 360 feature where if we press the hotkey it will do a 360, so if you wanna hit some clips, there you go. And yeah, then we have an FOV size, so obviously it makes the FOV go bigger. Oh, I got killed, damn. Okay, so let me turn off the FOV. And then we have aimbot smoothness, because right here, as you guys can see, if you lock onto him, it will just be blatant. So we can use smoothing, turn that to 16, and it will be more smooth, so you won't get caught cheating. So let me turn that down. Then we have a legit lock. It will be more legit. The snapping part of the aimbot will disappear. Then we have aimbot shake. It will shake the aimbot. Then we have target hitbox, we have body, head and random. Then we have hitboxes, expander, I will show that last. Then we have prediction, I will personally use 0.44. And then we have target tracer. Then we have team check, knock check, grab check, and then we have arsenal flick fix, and then we have wall check, which is not working right now, and then we have Triggerbot, I will not be using that, and then we have orbit target, that will just be orbiting the target. I will not be using that since it's very blatant, and we also have more options for it, and you can configure it how you want. Okay, now in the visuals tab, let's just turn on show local player so we can see ourselves. And we have a lot to offer, so let me just start off with boxes. It's already set to blue, and I will also enable fill box. Then we have box glow, oh fuck. Then we have box glow, which will add glow to the boxes. I will turn that on. Then we have skeleton, I will not be using that. Then we have name ESP, health bar, and then we have health text, distance, Chinese hat, tracers, start position, end position, enable crosshair, and yeah. Then we have team check, radar, main color for the GUI, and then in the movement we have a lot to offer also. So let's just start off with no clip. So right here is the no clip. As you guys can see, we can walk through walls, so let me turn that off. Then we have silent Then we have fly. I will use velocity because it's more smooth. I will turn that to 21 if you guys want to copy it, and as you guys can see it works perfectly fine with no bugs. And let me go right here and turn that off, and let me also clear it. Then we have walk speed modifier, we have C-frame and normal mode. Then we have jump power modifier and no jump cooldown. Then we have enable anti-aim, and I will personally use HVH while flying. Then we have headless, anti-stomp and rapid fire. Then in the players tab we have health, username, whitelist, targets, spectate and teleport. So when we whitelist someone, they won't be locked onto and their ESP will turn green. Then in target it will turn red to ESP, and if we spectate them, it will spectate them obviously, and we can also teleport to them. Then in MISC we have watermark, keybind list, Spotify widget, then we have streamproof and it works. Then we have ESP vsync, so if you have a low end PC, don't worry, this will also be supported on your device. Then we have menu toggle key, so if you wanna change it from insert, you can choose it right here. And yeah, of course, in the MISC tab. Then we have remap, which will fix the ESP if you're having any issues with it. And we have copy join command if you wanna invite your friends to the game, server hop, unload cheat, unload and self-destruct, and join Discord. Here in configs, obviously you can make your own configs, you can autoload them, you can open your folder, you can refresh it. And yeah, with nothing else to be said, have a nice day and bye bye.